This guy says, I have a design agency, but right now in my area, the demand is really low. I'm struggling to create new lead from another countries. What is the best way to offer services internationally? Actually, I have serviced few clients from another countries, but it's not much. I meet them from Finder site. I think this is like Upwork. Is it better to keep on this Finder site? Okay. So this guy asks, how do you get clients internationally? And I'm gonna share my process. I'm gonna share how you can get clients for your agency. I'm gonna share the simplest, the cheapest, and the easiest process you could do to make clients, and I could help you implement it for your agency. Right now, I'm working with an e-commerce agency. I'm helping these guys get clients. They get on plenty of sales calls. Some of the leads are qualified, so they're happy. So here's what you should set up to get amazing results for your lead, for your agency, for any agency. Okay, we're gonna go to draw. What you need to do, the first thing that you need to do is to be crystal clear of what you offer. The first thing will be the offer, right? If you're just selling, we're gonna build you a website. A lot of people are saying the same thing. So I don't think you benefit a lot from that. You need to position your offer in a sexier way, So if you sell like website, you're gonna benefit a lot from a unique marketing angle, right? Don't just say we build websites. Say something else that is much sexier. And I'm gonna give you the example. I don't wanna give you the perfect example because it's just like very different for each business. However, if I go on Google Images, and this is the example I like. So I'm gonna type flip-flops, right? I'm gonna type flip-flops. For example, those are very, very regular flip-flops. These flip-flops could sell for like, I don't know, $11, or like maybe like you could get those for $3. And there are like plenty of different flip-flops for $3. Pretty much they have the same color, pretty much they serve the same job. However, I'm gonna give you another example. Crocs, right? Crocs, they don't sell for $3. They sell for $50. So pretty much it's the same exact product, but one person is able to sell it for $3. Another person is able to sell pretty much the same product for $50. So this is where the money is in. It's the offer and the positioning. So your question is, how could you be the Crocs, not the flip-flops, right? That's the idea. And you do this through positioning the offer. Once you have a offer, you need a funnel. That's the second thing. And I'm gonna write it down. So I'm gonna share the funnel I use. A lot of people will be like, oh, you need webinar funnel, email reminders, 11 follow-up SMS systems. No, you need the most simple funnel ever. So your funnel should be a page where you explain your offer. Basically, on the page, you should have, here's what I have for you, here's what it will do for you, here's what you need to do next. And at the very beginning of the page, you need to say who this offer is for. So pretty simple, 4 things. Who is this for? What you have? What will do for them? You can complicate it. Why do they need to get it now? And it should have a big button that says book a call, right? Here it says book a call. And once they read this page where they can book a call with you, you're gonna take them on a sales call. And on the sales call, you're gonna pitch them your service, right? The most simple funnel. And then once you do that, you made the money, right? So once you have the funnel, the more people see the funnel, right, the more money you're gonna make. So the next thing you need to do, the third step number 3, would be to make people see the funnel. You have a lot of ways to make this happen, but you need people who are interested in your service. You need your target market to see the funnel. That's why the best way to get people to see your funnel is to run ads. Right now, for the client I'm working with, we're running Facebook ads, right? Facebook ads, they go to the funnel, they book a call, and she makes money. They make money, he make money, right? We're in the area, in the day and age where we cannot use he, she, they, do, whatever. So this is how the funnel works. What's the results we are getting? What's the results we are getting? The results we are getting are very, very simple. The results we're getting are the cost per book code for within USA goes between 50 to 150, right? The cost per book code for countries outside USA goes below 100, right? So if you spend $50 per day on ads in the United States, let's say you're gonna get 15 calls for the whole month, right? Very simple mathematics. And here the cost per book call will be $100, right? If you advertise without USA for the same budget, you're gonna make, let me do the calculation, you're gonna get 30 calls at a cost per book call of $50. Very simple stuff. Let's say out of this, let's say within USA, out of these 15, if you can close, let's say 5 clients, which is a lot, let's say you're gonna close 3 clients with $15,000 spent in ads, you get 3 clients, right? And those 3 clients, if they're 3K per month, you make 9K. Very, very simple math. Very, very simple math. Extremely, extremely easy to make, right? Here there is also another problem. Once people come on the calls, and this will be the 4th step, you need to have a sales system in place. You need to have like a script. You need to know what to say and how to close clients. The book I recommend is just like one book you need to read. One book. You don't need to buy courses. You don't need to go to the gurus. You need to buy a book that's called Spin Selling Textbook. Yeah? Spin Selling. That's the book. That's the book you need. You need. Right? And this is as simple as that. It's not a complicated stuff. You can set this in 30 days, right? Very, very simple stuff. It doesn't matter if you have e-commerce agency. It doesn't have if you have web development agency. It doesn't have if you have search engine optimization agency. Any agency you have, this is the easiest way to get clients. But I don't want to spend money on ads. Okay, so you don't want to spend like 1,500 on ads. What you could do with this money to get on like 30 calls? Pretty much nothing. You can hire one of those cold outreach agency. They're gonna charge you like 2 to 3K per month, and you'll be lucky if you get 5 calls. You'll be lucky if you get 5 calls. So that's the only process you need to get clients for your agency. This is it. If you're an agency, this is what you should follow. You don't need a webinar funnel. You don't need anything fancy. Let me do the fireworks. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So very, very simple stuff. If you're stuck with the lead generation of your agency, this is what you should do. Right? Alrighty then. Alrighty. My name is Niko. I help people run Facebook ads. And I can get you plenty of clients if you run an agency. I can get you plenty of clients if you sell courses, if you do webinars. I started exploring e-commerce stuff, so I'm going to get my first client starting on Monday. And I'll offer this also to e-com guys, because e-com guys, I see they make a lot of mistakes. They don't understand marketing. They just want to add products to Shopify and do weird stuff. However, If you need me to help you get clients, click the links in the description below. My name is Niko. Buy some of my products. Help me grow as a content creator here on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a YouTube challenge. I'll be releasing one video each and every day until the end of the year. So let's see if my channel grows. Let's see how many subscribers I get. I'm the real deal. If you need the realest opinion, the realest advice, subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.